Did you know that people are earning thousands, sometimes even millions, just by posting short videos on TikTok? And no, it's not just about dance trends or viral challenges anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you proven, step-by-step strategies to make real money on TikTok, whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or someone just starting out. After studying successful creators, analyzing trends, and applying these strategies myself, I've identified the exact blueprint you need to succeed. So, let's dive in. But here's the thing: while TikTok has opened up massive earning opportunities, most people are still stuck believing it's just a platform for dancing teens and funny memes. The truth? It's a powerful tool for building wealth and growing a brand. Maybe you've posted a few videos, but they didn't take off. Or perhaps you've been hesitant because you think you need a big following, expensive gear, or endless hours of free time. The reality is, anyone can start making money on TikTok with the right approach, whether you have 10 followers or 10,000. And today, I'll break it down into simple, actionable steps you can follow right away. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, step by step. 1. Why TikTok is a goldmine for earning money. 2. The different ways you can monetize your account. 3. How to find your niche and attract the right audience. 4. The secrets to creating viral content. 5. Essential tools and resources to boost your growth. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. 7. And finally, an actionable plan to start making money today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your TikTok profile into a money-making machine. Topic 1. Why TikTok is a goldmine for making money. TikTok isn't just another social media platform, it's one of the fastest-growing digital ecosystems in the world. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, TikTok offers unparalleled organic reach and engagement potential. Unlike other platforms where growth can be painfully slow, TikTok's algorithm allows even brand new accounts to go viral overnight. For example, small creators have gained thousands of followers and lucrative deals just by posting engaging, relatable videos consistently. Whether you're an influencer, a small business owner, or someone with a story to tell, TikTok offers opportunities for everyone. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, that time is now. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity to grow your audience and start generating income. And speaking of income, let's dive into the different ways you can actually make money on TikTok. Topic 2. Different ways to make money on TikTok. There are several proven methods to earn money on TikTok, and each one caters to different strengths and goals. Creator Fund. TikTok pays creators based on their video views. Once you meet the minimum requirements, TikTok rewards you for your content's performance. Brand deals and sponsorships. Brands are constantly looking for influencers, no matter the size of their following. Even micro-influencers can secure profitable deals by creating authentic, engaging content. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using special links in your bio or video captions and earn commissions on sales. Selling products/services. TikTok is an excellent platform for showcasing your products or services through entertaining and informative videos. Live gifts. Viewers can send you virtual gifts during live streams, which can then be converted into cash. Imagine posting a simple video about a product you love, including an affiliate link, and waking up to dozens of sales commissions. The possibilities are endless. But before you start, it's crucial to know your audience, and that's where your niche comes in. Topic 3. Finding your niche and audience. Success on TikTok starts with finding your niche. This is the specific topic or area you'll focus on, whether it's personal finance, cooking, comedy, or fitness. Why does this matter? A niche helps you attract a dedicated audience, increases engagement, and makes your content more discoverable. For example, finance creators like at Finance with Jake focus solely on quick money tips, making their content highly shareable and focused. Start by identifying your passion or expertise. Then, look at what's trending in that space and see how you can add your unique twist. Once you have your niche, focus on serving your audience consistently. But finding your niche isn't enough. You also need to create content that stands out. Let's talk about going viral. Topic 4. The secret to going viral on TikTok. The TikTok algorithm thrives on engagement and watch time. Your mission? Hook your viewer within the first 3 seconds. Successful creators often start with a bold statement or a surprising fact. For example, stop scrolling. Did you know you could double your savings with this one trick? Also, leverage trending sounds, hashtags, and video styles. But remember, trends fade quickly, so act fast. If your video makes people stop, watch, and share, it's on its way to going viral. And when it does, you'll see a ripple effect on your growth and income. To make this process smoother, you need the right tools. Topic 5. Tools and resources for TikTok success. Great content requires great tools. Here are must-have resources. Editing apps, CapCut and InShot for seamless video editing. Analytics tools, TikTok insights to understand your audience better. Scheduling tools, apps like Later to plan and schedule your content. One creator cut their editing time in half by using pre-made CapCut templates, allowing them to focus more on creating. Start experimenting with these tools to streamline your content process. But even with the right tools, there are common mistakes to avoid. Topic 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these pitfalls. Buying fake followers. It might boost numbers, but it kills engagement. Ignoring your audience. Reply to comments and DMs. Build real connections. Inconsistent posting. TikTok rewards consistency, so stick to a schedule. Stay authentic, consistent, and responsive. It's the only surefire path to long-term success. Every viral creator started with 0 followers. Every big success started with one small step. Why not you? Don't overthink it. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. The opportunities are endless, but only if you take action. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with your TikTok goals. I read every comment. Check the description and pinned comment for resources I mentioned. And since you made it to the end, YouTube has picked the next best video for you. It's on screen now. Click it, and I'll see you there.